Hi everybody and welcome back. Simple ways to make movement in your cello or other sounds that sound like this. Very simple. You take the auto filter of Logic, select the first preset and it sounds like this. And of course you can take other presets. And you can play around with the cutoff, but you got a totally different sound with simple one plugin. So I hope you like this quick tip. It's very simple, the auto filter from Logic itself. And of course you can play around with all those other settings here.